Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. What are you doing? It's a rainy day. It's Sunday afternoon. It's raining. There's no football on. Can't play golf. I can't paint. Bummer. Um, but I can make salsa. You want to make salsa? Let's make some salsa. I might have to cut that part out. It might have made me look stupid. Stupid is as stupid does. Okay, so I got my apron on, getting ready to get started. So I think the first thing I'll do, I'm going to show you all my ingredients that I'm going to use for my salsa. And this is the way I do it this time. Okay, all right, so we got the ingredients laid out over here. I have green chili. These are hatch green chilies that we roasted last fall. We get those each year. We get them fresh, we roast them, vacuum pack them and put them up. That's another whole video. It's another whole video that I have videoed and have not edited. You know what? I think I'll do that for you guys. So I'm not going to take that long on each ingredient. Let's get back to them. Let me show you what I got, what I'm going to use. So everything that I have here, you can use, you don't have to use. You can add other things. You can add more, less, whatever you want to do. When you make salsa, make it like you like. So we have the green chili. We do like cilantro, so we're going to put cilantro in ours. I have garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and kosher salt that we'll be using in this. I have 1 white onion. I have 2 kinds of garlic. I have white garlic and then I have the red garlic. And the red garlic has a more, it's like a more robust garlic flavor that it has in it. The white garlic is not quite as strong and it is a little sweeter. So we're going to use both of those in there. Limes, that, and then have jalapeno peppers that I grew, and then homegrown tomatoes. Grew all these tomatoes in the garden. We had these in here already ready to go, and then we've been getting a lot of rain, so I wanted to pick these before they split. I had several of them split that split really bad. I had to get rid of, which is a bummer. And I have a couple of these. There's a couple small ones. There's ones like this one is. This one's split, but it's healed a little bit, so I'll cut that part out. Oh, and then I have lubricant for the cook. That's me. I have the Ninja. Oh, then I got the Ninja over here. This is going to do all the hard work. It's going to do the blending, the chunking, the chopping. I just have to rough cut everything. So this thing is pretty cool. Works really good. And then if we swing around here, on the other side on the stove, I have my big cast iron that I have a Kamal, but it's not quite as big as I want. I want to put a few more tomatoes in here, so I got the bigger pan now. Those look nice. I'm gonna make some nice salsa out of those. I want to cut a pepper, just pick one out and cut it, even though they're off of different plants. So it's, I could get one and it could be not hot, and I could get another one and it could be hot. It smells hot. So if you do peppers, I don't really want that many seeds in here. I'll have some seeds in the ones that I roast probably. So I'm gonna cut this with the vein seeds and all. Take a bite of that. And that's hot. Yes, sir? That was a little bit hot. Whew. So that's weird because I eat hot peppers. I like hot salsa. I like hot peppers. I like hot. That son of a gun almost it. That was hot. I'm cooling off now though. So I don't know if you could tell. That was. I don't know if you could tell or not, but that was hot. And I like hot. I like hot peppers. I like hot chilies. But that bite I got right there was a bit spicy. Okay, we've got all the tomatoes cut up. And ready to go. Looking good. Cut this onion up. I'm not going to drop the onion in there right quick. I'm going to put the onion and garlic in another little bowl by itself. I'm going to add part of that in when we puree it, and the rest of it I want to be diced small enough I just go in when I'm pulsating it. So we'll have little onion chunks in there, but we'll have a lot of the onion flavor in the pureed part too. So let me get that done, and then we will. I could be doing this. So let me get that done, and then I'll turn the skillet on. So the deal with the skillet is I could be doing that. This I threw in the wrong one. I could be doing the skillet part right now, but since I'm doing the video, it's a little harder for me to keep track of stuff, and I don't want to do that. So one thing at a time, right? Sure. Okay. Then I'll get the skillet going. I'll get it good and hot. We'll get this stuff roasted up. Too bad you won't be able to smell it. It's going to smell really good in here. But as Chris from Ari's World would say, let's go! Let's go! salsa, my friends. Okay, so there we have it. So it is done. It's pretty good. It is a little thinner than I prefer, but okay, so that's the salsa. You can do it any way you want, anything you like, just do it how you like it. This is a little thinner than I wanted it a little chunkier, but the tomatoes that I use, the smaller cherry tomatoes and the German lunchbox, the smaller ones, are just really juicy, small juicy tomatoes with less meat in them. So that's why it turned out thinner than I like, but it's fine. It tastes really. Appreciate you guys watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe right there, comment and share. I really appreciate you guys watching. See ya.